Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back out at Jasen's, and yep, where is it? There it is. We're going to work on the 73 Montego, and we're going to put the radio back in it. So I get the camera turned around and we'll show you what we're up to. Be right back. On our last video, you saw me put a light bulb in here. So now what I've done is that I have pre-wired this connector that goes into the radio, and I pre-wired some wire here that we're going to run through the car. So I'll get everything set up, stuff apart, and we'll show you how we're going to get these wires up to the front of the car. We'll be right back. Okay, I want to bring you in here. I've got the sill plates off, and I've got the wire run underneath the carpet and back into the trunk. So we've got that one done. And over here I've got the wire all pulled, as you can see, underneath the carpet here. So it's out of the way, tucked in real nice. So we'll get this all folded back in, and it's all up underneath the kick panel here, and we'll get this back in, and then I've got wire over there that I can actually wire this up. So I'll get these back on, and we'll be back. Well, we've got the sill plates back in, and the wiring run back up underneath the parcel shelf. I don't know if you can see it in there or not. And we've got the speakers all set in here. So now I'm going to, I don't know how dark that is in there, if you can see it all wired up in there. You have to hang some wires up maybe a little bit, but got all that done, and now I'll put the radio back in and wire it up, and now we'll try it out. We'll be back. Well, we have the back seat reinstalled there, as you can see. I've got the radio back in here. So the radio's in. Let me just turn this on. I don't want to have any copyright stuff, but I'll just turn the car on here, on accessory here. So we got basically we got the radio going here. I'll just turn this down here so we don't get a copyright. Again, it's like my radio. When that light's on there, it's FM. And then of course you've seen the radio light up there after I put that new bulb in it. So that's all done. I'll just turn this off. There we go. Well, everyone, I got Jasen here.
How you doing?
Good. You got anything to say?
Yes, let it be known that this finely tuned athlete here didn't do a thing. It was all thanks to Mike here, and I really appreciate everything that he's done for Project Montego. He's a good bro, and thank you.
Oh, you're most welcome. So yeah, so as you can see, guys, we got the radio reinstalled in the Montego here, so the project continues. The next thing we're going to tackle in a couple of weeks, Jasen's going to vacuum out the trunk. We're going to put a new trunk mat in it, and we're going to do the rear surround seal in the trunk. So that's going to be the next thing. So stay tuned for that. So remember again, guys, to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. We're at 1,042, I think, subscribers now, and we're growing all the time. Remember, if you watch the channel, it doesn't cost you nothing to smash that subscribe button. So we'll see you guys in the next one later. Bye now.
Thank you.